How to build a raised garden box with legs. Tools, supplies, measure and cut, connect and level. You'll need a clamp, a square, a drill, a saw. We used a miter saw. So for wood we use 2x6s for the bottom, the side. You could use 2x4s, 2x8s, and plywood. You just don't want to use treated wood. Screws, we use the 9x2.5s. They don't go all the way through. We measured out 3 2x6s. The length was about 96 inches long, or 8 feet, and then the width was about 19.5 inches. So we connected the pieces together. We used sawhorses and a couple of clamps to start getting an idea of how they were going to fit together. And then we squared them up with a square. You can see there we put a bottom piece, 3 bottom pieces at 19.5 inches because the boards were pretty warped and we figured it'd support some. Then we started screwing the ends on, and basically we built another box just like this and put it on top. So we used the legs to fasten the second level to the bottom, and then we leveled out the whole thing.